How to draw a line in Google Docs. Now, I've already touched on this when I was doing the signature, but I haven't really had a chance to do a special video on it. So, it's basically very similar as drawing. You're basically drawing, but you're just gonna draw one singular line. So to draw a line, you have to go to Insert, Drawing, and New. From here, you can select line. It's selected by default. Let me just show you what other options there are. Yeah, you select line. And you can have these grid lines help you. You can have these guides help you. Because the line needs to be straight. You can have these guides help you get the line straight. As you can see, it's very helpful. So after you've done this, you can save and close. And as you can see, I've added a line right here. Now you can CTRL-C, CTRL-X to delete it. Go way down here, select this area, CTRL-V for pasting. And there you go, you just drew a line. You can stretch the line, but it's gonna be a bit thicker. And that's how to draw a line in Google Docs.